Mitsubishi dusts off Grandis nameplate for renamed Renault Symbioz. The Grandis has returned from the dead in the form of a hybrid compact SUV aimed at young families. Mitsubishi has announced that the new Grandis will be launched in Europe on July 1st. The model is a rebranded version of the Renault Symbioz, a longer Captur. The new Grandis will be offered with mild and full hybrid powertrains. Mitsubishi has revealed the name of its latest Renault-based SUV, which will be called the Grandis for Europe. The model has been teased ahead of its July 2025 launch, promising a family-friendly character and electric powertrain options. The original Mitsubishi Grandis, a Latin word meaning big and impressive, was a 3-row, 7-seat minivan sold between 2003 and 2011. The new generation will be a rebranded version of the Renault Symbioz compact SUV aimed at young families. In other words, the Grandis will be a longer and more practical alternative to the Renault Captur's twin, the Mitsubishi ASX. Reveals the Grandis grille and boot lid, which is expected to share much of its exterior and interior design with the 4,413mm, 173.7 in, long Renault Symbioz. Along with the SUV's name and badging, model-specific features will include a redesigned grille and new iteration of the dynamic shield face. According to Mitsubishi, the Grandis will offer a spacious and versatile interior, likely matching the Renault's boot capacity. The latter ranges from 492 to 624 litres, April 17, 22 cubic feet, thanks to the sliding rear seat. Equipment will include a full ADAS suite and Google's built-in 10.4-inch infotainment system. The SUV will use the CMFB architecture shared with the Mitsubishi Colt and ASX, Renault Clio, Captur, Symbioz and Arkana, Nissan Micra and Juke and the entire Dacia range. It will be available with mild hybrid and full hybrid powertrain options, also borrowed from Renault. Mitsubishi will launch the Grandis in Europe in late autumn 2025. The Grandis will soon be joined by a compact SUV with an as-yet unnamed all-electric powertrain. This will be Mitsubishi's Renault Scenic E-Tech version, scheduled for launch in late 2025. As with the Mitsubishi Colt and ASX, the Grandis and the new EV will be built by the Renault Group in Europe.